In this video, we will look at how asset, device, and space templates are all related within BuildingPro. BuildingPro allows engineers to build a library of templates to quickly and easily engineer projects. 3 templates must be configured to allow a BuildingPro project to operate: asset templates, device templates, and space templates. Configuration of these templates always starts with an asset template, as they are of the lowest level on the configuration tree. Assets relate to physical components in a project, such as physical plant sensors and actuators. Once asset templates are configured, device templates can then be configured and linked to existing assets. Devices are controllers used to program and control the physical plant, such as the assets. Finally, space templates can then be configured as the final layer in the configuration tree. They represent specific physical spaces within a site or building. Space templates are also linked to existing assets. Let's return to assets. Examples of assets include basic sensors or individual components such as temperature sensors, CO2 sensors, light switches, lighting fixtures, blinds and shutters, or mechanical plants, which contain multiple components such as fan coil units, variable air volume units, air handling units, rooftop units, boilers and chillers. In the BuildingPro Editor, you can access asset templates from the library. Here you will see a list of categories broken down into each available asset type, such as HVAC, comfort, sensors, and power metering. There are predefined lists of asset templates, as well as the option to add your own templates, import existing templates from other projects, or duplicate existing templates. By clicking on the pen symbol beside a template, you can view its properties, such as the icons used and the points listed, API subscriptions, and backnet server mapping. Next, let's look at device templates. Device templates represent BMS controllers that contain a control strategy or program. These do not represent real controllers necessarily. Rather, they represent a point set for a controller with a specific strategy. For example, devices would include single-speed FCUs, 3-speed FCUs, VAB units, rooftop units, or 3-sequence boiler control within an existing controller. Once created, asset templates can then be assigned to device templates to inform the device template of the available point set. It is possible to link multiple assets to one device template, as real devices are often used to control multiple physical assets. Device templates can be accessed from the library section of the BuildingPro Editor. Once you click Device Templates, you will be brought to a section which breaks down your device templates again into categories based on the driver's selection, such as BACnet, MQTT, Modbus, TCP/IP, and Modbus, or TU. You can add templates manually by creating them from scratch, or when you select the Add Device Template option. You can also import an existing template from a previous project. Once your template exists, you can access its properties such as its name, manufacturer, product reference, firmware, and icon. Then, you must link it to an existing asset template or templates. For example, here we have this FCU master device template linked to the FCU1 asset template. If you want to link to another asset, click the Add Asset button and link to one of the existing assets within the system. Lastly, we have space templates. Space templates represent specific types of physical spaces within a site or building. They're used mainly for the floor plan view in the BuildingPro Vision interface. Examples of spaces include standard office spaces, open office spaces, meeting rooms, receptions, canteens, or hotel rooms. Once created, asset templates are then assigned to the space, so that those asset templates can also be applied to the space in the floor plan view. In the BuildingPro Vision interface, space templates can be accessed from the library section of the BuildingPro Editor by clicking Space Templates. They're categorized by the different type of space available, such as area, room, exterior, parking, circulation, or custom. If, for example, we select room, we can see a list of default templates already applied to the project, and then we can add our own templates using the Add Template option. Remember, it is always possible to import these templates from a pre-existing project. Looking at the properties of a space template allows you to select the assets linked to that template, which can be made supported or mandatory. Mandatory means it must be included as part of the space for that space to be used within the BuildingPro floor plan. Putting all of this together, you can see that the space is highlighted in green with an asset template, which in this case is a fan coil controller laced on top of the space. That covers the essential knowledge on the relationships between asset, device, and space templates. For more information, please email globalsbs.support@abb.com.